BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? I'm breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only person in this space with 43,000 videos, all documented as proof. No one else has come even close to showing you what's working, what's not. I have documented 5 years of experience. And with BBAI, nothing stings more than just more bullishness, right? Like for me, it's not even a bad thing. Like genuinely, I'm waiting to see the price give me the confirmation so I can take it further higher. Over the last 5 predictions, they have all been longs. I've gotten 3 correct ones and 2 break-evens, which is totally partway, like totally normal part of the process. And even if I come here with BBAI, you will see that it actually delivered quite nicely. Like I'm not even gonna lie. Like I have 84 results and it's been pumping up very bullish. And going into the Monday, the only thing that I would expect is a solid double break so I can take things further up. You know, that's how it's looking like for me at least. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.